Alright, here we go, folks. So here is what I have to clean. So there's a sticker right there. This had a sticker right here. Might have to get a stylus. Other stickers, some dirtiness right there. And then when we open it up, got that dirtiness. Yeah, you see all that? You see how dirty it is? So yeah, this is what I'm gonna have to clean right now. So here we go. Here's the before. It's a little bit, so here is the last bit I have to deal with, and well, as you can see, some residue and all that stuff. Yeah, so here we go with the last bit of it. So underneath the sticker is this stuff. Wow, more to do. So in result, there are some scratches, but hey, you can't do anything with those. Oh yeah, let's look at the back. Got rid of all the stickers, and it looks pretty good, except for that little guy right there that tried to stick. And it's time to open it, and of course notice I put 2 games already in there. And here's what is right here. There's still some stupid things I have to figure out, but hey, this is basically everything, and well, we just show you what it starts. It looks too dark, but yeah, there you go. Works perfectly fine, and it works perfectly fine. I think there's some things missing, but it's perfect. So there we go. What I used today was some glue, some good Goo Gone, and this was actually a donation, so thank you so much. This is actually clock's defective pipe. I just need to use one. It's actually also substitute for water. You can use water as well. That helps with this pesky, oh, I'm a sticker, I'm not gonna go all the way off. Yeah, that's when you can use water or use this guy. And of course, for the finishing touch for the screen. So these are the things I used. Oh yeah, so along with a Q-tip, you can also need to have some paper towel for this guy as well. I actually cut them off into little squares. Also, you can use tissue paper for that guy. Also, napkins work too. So yeah, there you go. There is the dream team that I use. Mostly these two. But anyways, thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more content.